Welcome to First Ready Computer Training College. In today's lesson, I will show you how to design a professional certificate using Microsoft Publisher step by step. We open Microsoft Publisher. Then I will choose blank. I'll come to page design. Then I'll come to orientation. I'll take landscape. Also, I'll check the size. I choose A4. If you need specific margins, still you came here to page setup. Then you can put the margins that you need here. Then from here, we insert a shape because we want the outline of the certificate. We'll come to insert shape. We take a rectangle. Then we will remove the fill and remain with the outline. So we will come to shape format, fill, no fill, outline. We choose the color that we want and make sure it fits the margin. I can duplicate or insert another shape, and I need it to be inside the one I'm having. Shape fill, no fill, outline. We can take this one. Now we start inserting the logo. Remember, we work with the logo without a background. That is a PNG image. So I'll come to insert pictures. Then I'll put it here. When you want to minimize the image, you minimize it using the diagonal method. I need to insert a text box, or I draw a text box so that I can write the name of the institution. First Ready Computer Training College. I select. I'll come to color. I make sure it's black. You can add font here, or else you can come here. We just use Times New Roman. So I can come here and search Times New Roman. I'll come and put the PO box. So I will insert another text box. PO box 1132 Kilifi, Kenya. Then I can add the email. So I can choose to add the email here or here down. Then just copy this text box. I write the email firstready@gmail.com. Then I push them. I will come to the title of the certificate. I will insert a text box, certificate of award. Then I center align. So in alignment, I need it to be center, like that. If I say center but top, it will go upwards. Center down. I can put font like Playbill, else I can use Times New Roman. Then here, I'll put the certificate number, CN, the certificate number. Then that certificate number, I'll come and put it there. I leave with those angles so that I know where I will insert the cert number. I can copy this here. I call it reg number. When you see red, it means it doesn't fit there. This is where I will insert the reg number. Remember, this certificate is not for a single person. It should be awarded to everybody who completes the studies. Then I need to save this first. I'll put it here. We call it certificate of award. This is to certify that. I'll put dotted. Here is where I will insert the name. On top of it, we need a text box that will carry the name. For fill, no fill. You to know where to put it, just type a name. Okay there. But now, you see it's chasing away that. This one to be back. That part, I'll put the name and just copy the existing one. Has successfully. Then I zoom so that you can see. This is to certify that we put the name. Has successfully completed the foreign course from First Ready Computer Training College in Kilifi campus. Then I can add the fonts. So before I forget, If you need a certain font to appear, for example, the name I will use Edwardian script. I add font size. The fonts that will appear there in the name will appear like that. Then we continue. I need to send this shape back so that it can allow me utilize the other shapes. So here I'll add font 14. Then I'll take this back to where it was. This one I'll send it backward. So this shape is disturbing. We can remove it. During period of, then there I'll be having the date. Can also be written with the same font with the name. 2, these two will come closer. But here we are supposed to write the date. I'll put those things to show where the date will appear. I'm not typing the date. I'm just showing where they will be written. And obtained a grade. We wish her success in life. Then we will describe the course, the courses this person will have completed. Microsoft Suite, so we can have those two. We come to put the signatures. So we have the director and the exam coordinator. I'll copy this here. Director, exam coordinator. So what's remaining is adding the signature. Also, we need to align here. So for signatures, what you do, you need a signature signed on a piece of paper, a blank paper. Then you take a photo using your phone or the camera. Then you take that image. I had done it before, but because I don't want to ruin here, I won't insert directly. I'll come and open Word. So I will insert my images here. So I have the first one and the second one. So I'll crop to remove the unwanted part. I'll just copy these two, then I'll come here and paste them. So you can see this one, this first one, I took it in a dark area. Then this one on a lit area, the director, and the other one, exam coordinator. Remember, you can't have a certificate with an image. Come to shape format, come to correction. I already have my complete certificate. I need first to return this shape. So if you need to add anything else, you can add, but in certificate, don't make it a congregation of colors. Just try to use minimum colors as possible. Like here, you can see, have used gold, black, blue, and white as the background. In our next session, now we will come to mail match this certificate with details of the people to be awarded. Stay connected. Thank you.